How does what's happening in the economy have an impact on the real estate market? Obviously, one would think that with all of the craziness, something's got to give, right? I completely understand your concern. It's valid. It can be scary, and some people may have to sell and they don't have a choice because of a job transfer or a loss. But some may just be wondering if they should hold on and see if the market goes up so they can get a better return on their investment. Where others may feel like they need to sell now so they can keep all their equity in case the market does go down. There are certain factors and variables that can cause housing markets to go up and down, and those factors also can have a positive or a negative effect on the housing market as well. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph. Unemployment is one of the contributing factors, and it was lower pre-pandemic, and then it spiked pretty high from April to July, hovering between 8 and 14%. But it's been coming down month after month since April, which is a positive sign. Obviously, we are hoping it just keeps coming down, and experts are projecting that it will continue to drop. There have been several recessions in the U.S. throughout history, but if you look historically at the times during the recessions where the number of months that unemployment was greater than or equal to 9%, the recession of 2020 is the lowest. It puts the unemployment perspective where we are right now, nowhere near what it was in the past. The Great Depression was 108 months, and the Great Recession had 30 months. The 1980s oil recession had 19 months, and in 2020, we've only had 4 months where the unemployment rate was greater than or equal to 9%. Also, the number of people in active forbearance is decreasing. It's continued to go down since May, so more people are paying their mortgages as they are getting their jobs back. Many people are wondering what will happen due to the election, and I would recommend looking at a few factors. Number one, inventory. Back in 2008, the levels of inventory were very high, putting us into a buyer's market. Home prices were depreciating because there was so much supply. And today, inventory levels are very low, showing that it is a seller's market and prices are going up because buyers are paying more to secure and purchase a home. Also, right now, the percentage of equity that homeowners have is very strong. John Burns Consulting tells us that 42.1% of the homes owned in the country are owned free and clear, and they have no mortgage, and that 90% of homes have at least 10% of equity, which indicates that less homes will go into foreclosure due to the equity that they do have. So there is a lot of data that points to the positive forecast of the housing market in the future. Feel free to reach out to us at no cost or no risk for a hassle-free strategy session. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and as always, Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.